inhale and exhale. Bend your back. Come back, inhale. Exhale, lengthen and go down, bend forward. Now look front. Put your right leg back, look front. Put your left leg back, plank position. Drop knee, inhale, exhale. Drop your chest down, elbow close, touch your chin. Now straight leg, inhale, look up. And exhale, downward facing dog, look down. Now put your right leg front and put your left leg front. Hold your ankle. Now look front, hands up. Inhale, exhale. Bend your back. Come back. Inhale and exhale. Second round going with the variation. Hands up again. Inhale and exhale. Bend your back. Come back. Inhale, exhale, bend forward, go down. Now put your right leg back, look front, drop your right heel down. Right heel down करेंगे, straight leg, both feet same line, hands up, warrior one. Inhale and exhale, stay here. 5, breathing normal. 4, 3, hip down. 2 and 1, hands down.